Hello everyone, today I will show you how to configure Mikrotik internet access. In this video I will use 3 VM machines. The first one is Mikrotik, second is Windows 10 and other ones is Windows 11. I already copy the file Winbox that I download in their previous video to all of my Windows machines. Okay, now we use Winbox for login to our Mikrotik. For the username admin and password also admin. Normally the Mikrotik default account is admin and password is blank, but this Mikrotik the password I already changed it to admin that I have been shown in the previous video. Alright, our Mikrotik have 4 Ethernets, the Ether 1 the NAT connection from my real PC. Ethernet 2 is custom VM Net 2 and my Windows 10 network adapter also use custom VM Net 2, so it mean that Windows 10 will connect to Mikrotik through this network. Ethernet 3 is custom VMnet 3, and my Windows 11 also use the same custom VMnet 3, it's mean that Windows 11 will connect to Mikrotik through this network. And Ethernet 4 we don't use it in this video. Okay, now let's start configuration. We go to IP, DHCP client. Click on add icon. Select Ether 1, click apply and OK. And just wait until it get the IP address from our NAT. If in real configuration Mikrotik we can use PPOE with account and password or public IP address that provide by ISP. We can click in IP address for check our IP address. And we also can edit it or add more IP address for other interface. But now I will show you that our Mikrotik already connected to the internet. Okay, now let click on terminal and type ping 8.8.8.8. As you can see we get the reply from Google IP. That mean that Mikrotik already connected to the internet. But our PC not yet connect to internet. So I will configure IP for Ethernet 2 and 3. Alright, now go to IP, address. Click on add icon and put the IP, now we will put 192.168.2.1/24. Click on interface and choose Ether 2 and click apply and OK. After create IP for Ethernet 2 completed we need to create Dhcp server for provide the IP to client that connect to it. So we need go to IP Dhcp server, click on Dhcp Setup. Select Dhcp server interface by choose Ether 2. Because we want that interface provide the service Dhcp. Click on next, OK, just click next and OK. Now I will check on my Windows 10 network adapter. Because the IP of this PC should be use static, so I need to change it to dynamic. This computer already joined domain, so it need the administrator password for change any configuration. Okay, now our Windows 10 already get the IP from Mikrotik. And Windows 11 not yet, because we not yet configure the Ether 3 that connected with Windows 11. Now let continue configure IP address for Ethernet 3. We need go to IP address, click on add icon, and put the IP 192.168.3.1/24. And select interface Ethernet 3. Click on apply and OK, then go to IP. Dhcp server for create Dhcp server for Ethernet 3. Click on Dhcp Setup, select interface Ethernet 3, then click on next, and OK. Now let check the IP in our Windows 11. As you can see now, Windows 11 also get the IP from our Mikrotik, but it doesn't have DNS server and also can't connect to the internet. So we need to configure our Mikrotik again. Now let go to IP, firewall, click on Nat and create Nat Rule. Click on add icon to add new Nat Rule. On General tab. In chain box select src Nat. And on Action tab. In Action select Masquerade. Click Apply and OK. Now NAT already configured, so our client will be can access to the internet. Now let testing the internet connection on Windows 11. OK, now I will set the DNS server for client use. We need to go to IP, DNS, on server we type 8.8.8.8 for using Google DNS.